The federal government coalition is calling for a 40% reduction in CO2 emissions by 2020. We managed to achieve this in Bielefeld street lighting in 2015. You can save a great deal of energy in street lighting if the right lights are available. We had already saved some energy in past years by using the existing options, but since LED technology has been on the market, we've had much better opportunities to save both energy and CO2. We started using LED technology to light Bielefeld streets because of the EC regulation, which stated that as of 2015, mercury vapor lamps can no longer be sold. For the city of Bielefeld, this meant that almost 50% of its existing lights had to be replaced. What's especially interesting are the savings on residential and service roads where the old lights were being used. They had an input power of 89 watts, while the new LED lights have a mean input power of only 15 watts. So we've saved almost 82% with each lamp. In our neighborhood, the lights were converted directly to LEDs. For one thing, it has a different effect. The light is much more concentrated. You have to remind yourself that less power is needed for the LED lighting, which in turn saves the city energy costs. It then makes sense to me no matter what. Naturally, everyone's talking about climate protection targets, and of course we need to tackle these too. Lighting is a big factor, one on which we can save energy with relatively little means. Converting a streetlight to LED is now a manageable cost factor. Based on the total number of lamps, we're saving 5 million kilowatt-hours per year in street lighting, and that translates to lower CO2 emissions, 3,000 tons a year. I think that's an excellent example of what we've managed to do, and that's something we can be proud of. This is my step into the future.